Hello everyone. Today we are going to see the Jira activities. I have created the process to demonstrate the same. Let's quickly look into the configuration followed by the runtime part of it. Let's open the process model. As part of the Jira software integration, you will be getting add assignee, add attachment, add comment, create issue, create project, delete issue, get issue details, update issue and update issue status activities. So let's quickly check the process. I have an e-form where I am gathering all the required details for the process to be kicked off. So let's see what is there in the form. So create issue, summary is mandatory. I am gathering the summary and I have created issue link, issue ID and issue key as the response which I'll be getting and I'll be storing it as part of it. Add assignee is a user list. Again, I'll choose the user. Add comment, gather the comment here. Add attachment, it's a file upload control. Get details, it's just to get the response. Update issue, I am updating the summary. Create project, I am gathering the project name. This is about the e-form that I am using. Moving on to create issue configuration. By default, all the configuration will have display name and description. Create issue configuration. I have selected the access token, project name, the issue type, and I am passing the summary I am getting from the form, and I have configured the basic details required for the task, and there are certain custom fields, and this is where I am storing the response of created issue link, issue ID and issue key. That's about create issue. Add assignee configuration, access token, and I am passing the issue ID and I am assigning the user. That's about the add assignee. Add comment, configure activity. Here I am passing the issue ID and the comment. In case you want to mention any user, you can mention the username, or you can even drag and drop the variable for which the user will be mentioned in the comment. Add attachment, configure activity. Source configuration I have selected it as Google Drive. Source repository configuration I have made it as dynamic folder. Add attachment configuration, I have just used the issue ID to which the attachment needs to be added. That's about add attachment. Get issue details configure activity. I have selected the project. I have selected I am passing the issue ID, and this is a mapping. I am getting the summary and the priority and mapped to the form field, priority and summary, which you have seen in get details section. Update issue, configure activity. Here I am passing the project, issue type, issue ID, and I am updating the summary. In case you need to update any of the fields, you can go ahead and update it, but for the demo I am going to update only the summary, and in case you have any custom fields, that can also be added. So moving on, update issue status. I have selected the project and I am passing the issue ID and I am setting the status as done. Delete issue, configure activity. I am just passing the issue ID which needs to be deleted. That's about delete issue. Moving on to create project, configure activity, create project configuration. I have selected the access token. I am passing the project name and I am passing the project lead for that, and this can be a variable. In case you need it to be dynamic, you can add it as a variable, but here I have selected the lead. I have selected the project type as software, and I have selected the project template as classic basic information. In case you need to add this information, you can provide the details or you can drag and drop the variables. I am storing the response, that is response of the project ID. That's about create project. Let's quickly go to work center and kick off this particular process. Let me initiate. I would say create issue, add assignee. I would select a user, let's say Balamurugan, add comment, comment test, add attachment. I will select a file, get details. This is more for the runtime. Update issue, I will say updated summary, and I would create a project called Agile Point NX 9.0. Let's submit it. The process is submitted. Let's go to Manage Center, Processes. I will select the Jira process. Meanwhile, let me open the Jira. Issue has been created. Let's go and check. The issue is created 42 seconds ago. Assignee is not there, comment is not there, no attachment, nothing, just the issue is created. Let's quickly go back and change the flow. I would add assignee, I would apply. Let's quickly go here and check. The assignee is updated. Let's go back. Let's move the flow to add comment. Comment is updated. Let's refresh. Comment is updated. Moving on, I will move to add attachment and I say apply. Attachment is visible. Get details is executed. Let's go and quickly check the value. Data form variable. Summary is create issue, and the priority is medium. The same thing is updated here. Let's move back to process monitor. I am going to update issue now. Apply. Let's refresh. It is CRE27, the same task with a updated summary. Moving on. Currently the status is to do. I'm going to change the status to done. Let's refresh. It is done and it is completed. Let's go back. Let's move it to delete issue. Now the same issue will be deleted. Let me refresh. There are no tasks. The task has been deleted. The last step is create project. I say apply. The process is complete. Let's go and check if the project is created. We had given the name Agile Point NX 9.0. This is the project that is created, and this is classic software project. Whatever we had selected, the same thing is reflected. That's the brief about Jira activities as part of 8.0 release. Thank you.